Horses and we have Siamo, Pamilya, pass to begin, Donnery inside, Virtual Angel, moving up, Crazy Skip, Lucky Lorky, Best Asset, Hurricane Ali, and Jack King is the early trailer. We have Siamo, Pamilya, the leader by about 2 lengths, Virtual Angel in second, and in third, moving up now on the outside, is Best Asset, Crazy Skip, Dress back in port, Lucky Lorky in fifth, Hurricane Ali in 6, and Jack King trails the field. At still Siamo, Pamilya, by Oralenka and Hapa. Best Asset, now on the outside, second, Donnery inside is Virtual Angel. Then followed by Crazy Skip Import, Lucky Lorky, Hurricane Ali, and a long way back to Jack King. And it's still Siamo, Pamilya by about 2 lengths. Best Asset on the outside, second. Virtual Angel in third. Lucky Lorky now to take fourth. Then followed over now by Crazy Skip, Hurricane Ali. And it's still Siamo, Pamilya by about 3 lengths. Best Asset in second. Virtual Angel, Lucky Lorky, Hurricane Ali. And nearing the finish line, it's all number 5, Siamo, Pamilya. Second, Virtual Angel, Best Asset, Lucky Lorky, Hurricane Ali, Crazy Skip, and Jack King.
5316.
Correct. Siamo Pamilya with Mark A. Alvarez.